What's up, y'all? Today is a beautiful day. Today I get the Ruckus back. Santa in July right now. Y'all remember the frame, right? It's good now. That shit was.
You have the video still, right?
Yeah, I got a video. Oh my god.
I don't know what the fuck you were thinking, but holy shit, motherfucker. Like, god damn. Man, we got it. I gotta fix this now for you. This is fucking like. It's good. Like, you don't feel like the fucking the unevenness that you had going there. This right here. How the fuck did that even happen? I don't know. Zosh, you amaze me. And then we already got these stupid ass little things off for you. Gotta clean it up a little bit more, but that's it. Now a little bit of Bondo, and well, not Bondo. What we're using is a body filler, premium. We have it back there. Really good shit for you. Hi, buddy. Ice. Yeah.
Look at this, bro. Look at the ice, son. Oh my god. Aside from the Ruckus stuff, my man Hector over here, him and his boys about to fix my bumper. They're gonna patch these holes and patch the bumper holes. Have it cleaned up and ready for paint this upcoming Monday, which is the 9th. So that's tight. My boy Fred came by.
Hey.
Yo, Wagwan, the boy Fred, he cool. We out there. Y'all house is done already, dog.
Huh?
My happy ass back there.
All right, Hectoroni.
Peace out, bro.
Mr. Ain Drizzles. Bruce Sizzles. All right, homies.
Oh, God. Who wants a picture with you?
Oh, let's. Now me and Mr. Fredman about to head up to O'Reilly because I gotta get some mother's polish. Man, a right-hand drive whip. You gotta teach me how to speak what is it? Patois? Patois. I need to learn how to speak like that. I've been watching a lot of Luke Cage and my man Bushmaster.
Nah, bro, that shit fake on the page.
You seen season 2?
Yeah, I'm saying.
With Bushmaster, yeah.
It doesn't even sound right, dog.
For real?
Dog. I guess they talking like that to break it down for people who can't understand it.
Yeah.
But 80% of what they saying don't even sound right, dog. Nah, it's some script in my child.
Man, breed is from Allah. Oh, tuck. So I just had a debate with Fred about that he needs an alignment. Him and Tuck saying that it's torque steer. Bro, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about.
Man, you got torque steer, dog.
Man, on torque steer, you need alignment. That's torque steer? Yeah. Fred, you need a damn alignment, bro.
Yo, that's torque steer.
Bro, yo literally go all over the road like this, bro.
Dog, I got torque steer, dog.
Doug said, hey, that's alignment. Pull hard AF to the right. I know, dog. What torque steer, Fred?
Man, you got torque steer, dog. One more.
I'm about to get a crash course in learning how to polish. I'm polishing up the mounts that I told you guys I would earlier. I don't know if I did or not, but let's just say I did. This basically is my 12-inch stretch kit, and this is how you learn how to polish because I have no idea how to do it. I've never done it before.
You're going to see it. See it's hard to turn black. See it?
Oh, I see it already, yeah. Damn, look at that shit, yo. You can see like it already looks polished. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but
The black is good. That's not bad. I mean,
yeah, it's working.
Yeah.
How many times you have to do it? Like
As
coats?
much as you want.
Oh, okay. The more you do it, the shinier it gets. Damn.
That was just one time.
Yeah, that's one time. Yeah, so I'll probably do like 2 or 3 coats before and then after.
Should leave fingerprints now.
Check your boy out, son. I mean, I'm still cleaning it and stuff, but you, look at that. 4 coats of polish, bro. 4 coats. Mother's polish is the truth, bro. I'm still cleaning it, and I still gotta do that stuff right there. But for the most part, yo, we good, son. We is good. So it's the next day after the polishing stuff I did. I just decided to call it a day. And I never showed you guys the actual black that he painted for me. So I'm gonna put the frame in the sun so you guys can see that cleanly. Bro, the black, like there's so many small details he did in like the paint itself that it cannot go unnoticed. You guys have to notice it. So this is the black paint. I hope the camera's picking up all the flakes in it, bro. There's so many like different types of pearl in it. Not flakes, but like pearl. Like there's red, there's blue, there's like hints of green. Like it's so nice, bro. It's so nice, and I don't think my camera is doing it any justice. Look at that. It matches perfectly. It matches perfectly, bro. Look at that. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. You killed it, Hector. Hector and the squad, you boys killed it, son. About the wheels, I was supposed to plastic dip them black so they can match Christina, but I don't think I'm doing that anymore because this just looks too good. Way too good. But for the most part, everything's ready to go assembling. But look at just, bro, look at this. Just look at the green on this thing, son. Oh, God, it just looks so good. Look at that, bro. Look at the ice, son. Look at the ice. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. So here's the CVT cover that goes on the transmission thing. Well, not transmission, but I call it the transmission. But where your dry face would be, and hopefully this is picking up the paint better. But yo, look at all the pearls in that paint, bro. Oh my God. Well, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so stoked and I'm ready to get this bike together. So for the next couple of days, there's gonna be some Ruckus content. Tomorrow, which is July 9th, the Integra parts, the fender, the lip, the bumper, all going for paint. So I should expect to get that back Thursday. And by Thursday, hopefully this bike is somewhat completed. Hopefully the bike will be a rolling shell and the car can be, that's what we call it, like when the wheels are on, everything's on, but the car ain't going or anything. Like it just has no motor in it, but the motor will be in it. But I still need a few parts like a radiator and a couple other things to like get the car get the Ruckus driving and stuff. But for the most part, I'm gonna spend the next couple of days, and right after I edit this video, start on this thing, and you guys will have Ruckus content all this week until like Thursday or Friday when I get the car back, or unless something happens to my car. But for the most part, if nothing goes wrong, then Ruckus content. So for all my Ruckus lovers, your boy Zosh got y'all with some Ruckus content. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to my man Hector for painting these beautiful, beautiful parts. Oh my God, it's so clean. Thank you to the Ruck Shop for being the Ruck Shop and making all this possible, to be honest with you guys. I don't think I'd be this far ahead in the Ruckus builds without them. So thank you to the Ruck Shop. Link down below to follow Hector on Instagram, and to the Ruck Shop in case you're looking to pick up some Ruckus parts for your Ruckus or your Grom. They specialize in all that, playboy. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace! I forgot to tell you guys to smack the like button, so without further ado, nephew! Smack that like button for your boy, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching, I'm out. Peace!